Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style my daughter's hair. If you love this cute beautiful hairstyle, keep watching. So first I'm going to be unraveling her hair, and this is an old hair that she's got on. So I'm just going to be taking them out, and then I'm going to be taking my time detangling her hair, and then we'll pop into the shower. I'll give her hair a good wash, and then I'm not going to be showing you how I wash her hair because I already have a video of that. So this is before I washed her hair. I used coconut oil to saturate her hair, making sure that her hair is well detangled and making sure that there are no knots on her hair. And now I have just washed her hair, and now she's got lots of shrinkage, and now I'm just moisturizing her hair using the lock method, and you can just use any moisturizer of your choice. So another thing I love to do before putting her hair into a protective style is grease her scalp, and I am using the Do Grow to grease her scalp.
You are my African queen.
And now I am starting a flat twist, starting from the side of her hair, and I'm just going to keep flat twisting all the way up. I'm just going to continue like this at the back of her hair as well. I'm going to flat twist all the back of her hair, going all the way up.
You came around my way.
So as soon as I'm done flat twisting each of them, I'm going to tuck it in just like this. Right, so this style is perfect for kids, for back to school, and it's also great for adults as well. So if you would like to see my daughter's full wash day routine, I'm going to link the video up, and it's just going to pop up now. So I will just continue like so, and once I'm done, it's going to look something like this. So now I am done flat twisting the back of her hair, and now I am going to start by twisting the crown of her hair, and I'm just going to twist the front of her hair all the way around. And I almost forgot to mention that I use a blue hairband to get the roots of her hair secured, as you can see in this video. So I use the blue hairband to get hold of her hair, making sure that her hair is nice and secured before twisting her hair. And also the blue hairband is going to stand as a hair accessories. Once I'm done twisting, I'm going to get the ends of her hair, I'm going to tuck it in, and I'm just going to wrap it over. This is just going to keep the ends of her hair from drying out, and it's just going to, that's just the style basically. I'm just trying to hide the ends of her hair, and I'm just going to continue like this all through the crown of her hair. Alright guys, I'll just leave you now to enjoy the video, and I'll leave you to a nice beautiful music. Guys, this is the end result. I hope you love this video. If you do, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.